5 Soothing essential oils to rub on your sciatic nerve for instant pain relief. The largest nerve in the human body, the sciatic nerve, stretches from the spine, down to the ankle and even the feet. Yet, it might get inflamed and lead to severe pain, tingling, and numbness. This pain might also be a result of prolonged hours of sitting, improper body posture, heavy lifting, stress, pressure on the nerve, and a prolapsed disc in your spine. Yet, numerous people have successfully relieved these symptoms with the help of yoga and stretching. However, if you do not have much time, make sure you do at least the following: lie on the back with the knees drawn to the chest or supported by a chair and rest the head on a pillow. Repeat this every night, for 10 minutes. Essential oils and herbs are extremely helpful in the case of sciatica pain as well. They should be diluted in some carrier oil like jojoba, extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, and grapeseed oil. You should use the powerful mixture to massage the painful areas. After the massage, place a warm cloth over the affected places, to relax the muscles. Yet, make sure you do a patch test before you apply the essential oil, as they might irritate the sensitive skin. The following essential oils would be your best choice to treat sciatica pain: Roman chamomile essential oil, lavender essential oil, juniper essential oil, pepper essential oil, mustard oil. You can also try the following natural remedies to treat the pain in the sciatic nerve. You can mix some of the essential oils we listed and add the combination to your bath water, 10 drops in the case of sensitive skin, and 15 for normal skin. Add fresh thyme or oregano to your bath water. Nettle tea, saffron tea, celery juice or tea. With the help of these natural tricks and remedies, you will soon enjoy your pain-free life.